What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I've got something special for you. I've been spending quite a few nights designing up a welding table. This is just a little one for this workshop. I will be getting a bigger one once I expand. So as you can see, the plate here, this is the top plate. Bring it over closer. We have all this sort of tab and slot system that I've designed in, with little recesses just for clearances. So the whole thing should slot together. I've got all the sides, all the supports underneath, even cutouts for the frame to hold the legs. And then also I've got some squares that I've designed, got made up, so I'll be putting them together in a later video, but I hope you enjoy this. My plan in future is to offer items like this on my website, which is www.cdrengineering.co.uk. So yeah, I mean, these squares, they're going to be like a 3D square. So you get two components for the sides, and then the uprights, which are there, and then to sort of just give it a bit of support at the back, that goes there. So what I'll do is I'll just piece these together quickly, just so you can see. So that's sort of a basic representation. Obviously I can't lift it up. I've got to weld it together. So yeah, that's sort of what it should look like. These are 16mm holes, which is fairly universal for any sort of welding table, fixtures, clamps, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make my own clamps, but obviously the reason that I've designed this is just for sort of speed of work. Obviously you got 45° on the back, 90 here. The other thing that I thought was cool about putting the little support in the back here was so that I can still clamp it to the table like that and have 90 degrees like that. Yeah, I can't stand up. There we go. It stays together quite nicely. Everything's going to be square, perfect, like really accurate. That's the kind of the whole point of using this design. So yeah, you shouldn't have any issues. So as well as this 150mm one, which I'll just tuck to the side there, I also have a 300mm one with which is 50mm wide as well. So here I've got this, got the two parts, that one and that one, that one and that one. And then the sides, as you can see, much bigger. In fact, I'm going to have to move you away for this. So, should be able to slot this one together. I'm actually going to have to make some space. There we have the large 300mm square. You can sort of see it in comparison, just half the size really. Looks really good, nice and heavy duty, and again, as I said, the accuracy is always going to be there because it's been cut perfectly straight by laser. Yeah, like I say, these will be on the website as well. And yeah, I think we should move on to the welding table. So this is the 150mm square all put together. It's looking really good. It's going to be a great addition to the workshop in everything that I've been making and will be making in the future. So yeah, let's make the big one. Okay, so that's the 300 by 300 one, all welded up, looking great. Very heavy duty. It's going to be really good to use. Yeah, well, anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Sorry about the welder, the fan's cooling down, the welder. Yeah, looks really good. And then I'm going to move on to the toe. So I'm just sort of roughly clamping stuff up, just trying to get sort of a rough idea how I'm going to put it together. I've got some threaded rod here, so I think I'm going to make 2 plates so I can sort of screw and clamp wherever. Obviously I've got like 5 lengths, so if I have to go sort of across, maybe clamp together the whole thing, then do it, then tack it up. Yeah, I mean, it's looking good. It looks like everything fits nicely. It's nice to sort of see that doing it in 3D space, and then sort of getting it done and it actually does fit. There's always a risk, I suppose. So yeah, it looks really good. Well, if you like this video, make sure you give it that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well, especially if you want to see the progress on the welding table. I'm going to be doing that in the next video. I know I said I'd do that with the squares, but I got too excited. We're going to do those and then we can test them out once I've done the table. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.